It looks like an ordinary place. A country garden. But something weird is going on. Hedgehogs are on the prowl. Not for food or for mates, but for strange smells. Like these cans of turpentine. And when the hedgehogs smell something intriguing, they lick it up. Turpentine is hazardous to humans, but hedgehogs have a strong resistance to toxins. Other hedgehogs find a dropped pack of cigarettes and start to munch on the tobacco. What comes next is even stranger. They lather up and spread it all over their spines. It might take a while to cover all 5,000 spines. But hedgehogs have the time and the contortion skills to get the job done. Why do they do this? The experts have their theories. Some argue that hedgehogs anoint themselves to tip their spines with poison that is toxic to their enemies. Others maintain the toxins may be used to kill off parasites. And still other scientists think they're trying to fool predators by covering their own scent. Whatever the reason, it's definitely weird behavior.